Hi, it's Glennis from Intricate Scraps. I have a journal here done by Laura with the collaboration. She did all the inside. I did the cover. I've got a dangle here I put on the cover. The cover is a cushion cover that I made into a cover. There's lace on the dyed lace on this side and on this side here. It's the bird book. It's semi-grunge. We have Laura's typical pages of unevenness and bits and pieces. I just love how she puts it together. There's birds all throughout it. You have lots of writing space, lots of her particular cards she makes. Her style is very unique and different. I love working with it. This opens up here. She leaves lots of writing space for you. Another one of her special cards. Everything has been hand stained by her, hand grunged. She's taken the bits and colored them all in a green and blue color scheme. The dark ones here you can easily write with a gel pen or a pencil, a white pencil. Each card is unique, but they all fit the same style. There are two signatures. I put a couple of charms on when I sewed it together. This opens up, and then this can be written on. This is the more writing space. A couple of different cards in here. This one opens up. Lots of space into her special pockets. She likes putting in flips like this. I love how she does it. I can't copy her work, but I sure wish I could sometimes. A little booklet here. Slides back in there. This is a postcard scrunched up. And a piece of paper to work with. This is real ephemera. So you can either write around it or write on it. Some more cards. And another piece of real ephemera. Very nice writing on that. It's an older piece. It's September 9th, but I don't know the year. But it's in very nice shape. These all go back in here. Second signature is the same. Got another postcard. A nice big tag on this one. She uses lace throughout it. She uses bits of doily and embroidery, and she colors them all to match her color scheme. She uses bits of fabric like this. This is actually comes out into this pocket. We've got lace here and flowers here and some lace, her bird. Everything is consistent from page to page, but different. This is a bigger card again with her lace and her birds. Her trim, I guess it is. This is like a booklet that's not put together. It's a deconstructed booklet for you, lots of pieces to write on. And some more original graffiti, or ephemera. Lovely little bird in the greens and blues. This is my only contribution to the inside. I did this little bird with some piece of trim on the side. I tried to keep it in her style. Charms again. This booklet is held together with a little ribbon. It just slides in there, which I think she has it so it slides in like that. Opens up again for writing space. I love this particular color. She did it. It's a beautiful shade. We have writing cards here with her lace, all her greens. So everything ties in lovely. And then there's some ribbon or trim along there. I'm writing space. And on the back, there's one more card. And it slips in there. Oops. This gorgeous journal I fell in love with. It's not available as I am keeping it. But I wanted to put it, let everybody see, because I love her work. She's very distinctive. And I'm very proud of what she does. But this one I am keeping. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any comments, please let me know. Please have a look at our Etsy. I have a lot of our journals in there. And have a good day.